Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2015 Honda NC700X. This is the dual clutch transmission automatic model with ABS brakes, only 14,000 miles. It's got running lights, hand guards, heated electric grips. It's got a rear rack, very nice condition. Oh, it also has the engine guards. Come on by, make your automatic transmission dreams come true for just $64.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.